Hello everyone and welcome to another Now Train Tech video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install LibreOffice, and this is a compatible Office Suite application program that you can use instead of Microsoft Office, and this is a free program. It has a lot of features similar to Microsoft Office. So you want to go to this site. I'm going to leave a link in the description of the video below. So when you're on this site, just go to the Downloads tab here. There's a drop down tab, just click on it. Click on Download LibreOffice. You're going to get to this page. Now there are different versions. This is LibreOffice 7.4.3. This is the latest version as of now. And there's also a lower version here, which is 7.3.7. Now it says here, choose your operating system. And right now the default is Windows 64-bit. This computer that I'm using is Windows 11 64-bit. So just click on the drop-down tab and you can download it for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows 32-bit. So I'm going to download the Windows 64-bit edition. I'll click download, and as you can see, it's downloading, and the size of it is 339 megabytes. So it's a .msi file. I'm going to click on the tab here, click show in folder. Now this is going to be in your downloads folder. This is the file. So to install it, just double click on the file here. So I'm going to get this menu box here, click next. So there are two options here. So it says please select a setup type. There's the typical option and the custom option. So on the typical option, it will be installed with the default components. That includes languages, spelling dictionaries. So I'm going to leave it as typical. I'll click next. So I want to create a shortcut on the desktop. I'm going to leave this checked. I'll click install. So you're going to get another box that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes, and it's installing. It's going to create an icon on the desktop. So this installation is going to take a few minutes. So the installation is complete, and as you can see on the left side here, it created an icon. I'm going to click finish. So I'm going to open LibreOffice. I'm going to just double click the icon. So you have this interface here. So on the left side, you have open file, remote files, recent documents will be listed here. There are templates. There's writer templates, Calc, Impress, Draw, manage templates. So under the create, these are the applications, and there's writer document. This is similar to Microsoft Word. I'm going to click on it, and this is how it shows. So I'm just going to paste some wording and a picture here. I'll make this a little smaller. Okay, on this LibreOffice Writer, which is similar to Microsoft Word, you have a lot of features here. You have the ribbon, there's file, edit, view, insert, format. You can insert tables. You can design and create forms. There's tools. You can also insert images. So there's a lot of features here. So if you want, you can also save this document as a Microsoft Word document. So if you have Microsoft Word also in your computer, or you want to convert this to a Microsoft Word document and email it to someone, you can do that. So I'll just go to File, click on Save As. So the default option is set as ODT. So on the Save As Type section, there's a drop down tab, just click on it, and you have all these options where you can save this file. You can save it as a Microsoft Word document, which is a .docx, and this is Word 2007 to 365 version. So I'm going to click on that, and I'll save it to my desktop. So you can also save this document as a PDF. Just go to File, and there's an option says Export As. It says Export as PDF. You can also export it as an EPUB file. So you have all these options here. I'm going to leave as default, which is general. Click export, save it at the desktop, click save, and it's saved. You can also click on the save icon here. There's a drop down tab also, and you have the export feature labeled right there. So I'm going to save this also as a JPEG picture. Just click on File, click on Export. Click on the drop down tab where it says Save As Type, and there's PNG, there's JPEG, also WEBP. I'm going to select JPEG, click Save, And here you can change the dimensions, the resolution, the color depth, and also the quality. I'm going to click OK, and it's saved. And the files are all here. So this is the picture file. It says JPEG. This is the PDF document. And this is how it looks. And this is the file was saved as a Microsoft Word document. This is how it looks. So I'm going to close this. Now it's saved here under your recent documents. It's here. So this is Calc Spreadsheet, and this is similar to Microsoft Excel. And there's a lot of features here. This is the ribbon tab, and you can go through all of these menu items here. Edit, view, insert, format, data, tools. So I'm going to close this. So this is the Impress presentation, and this is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. So you have a bunch of templates here. And here is where you can choose the categories. So I'm going to choose one here. So you can edit it here. You can also delete slides. You can create a new slide. So you can rename slides. So I'll click on the slideshow, start slide from first slide. So I'm going to close this. So this is draw drawing. So you can add shapes here. And you can save this, go to file, you can export as PDF, you can click on export, you can click on save as, and you can save it of whatever extension you would like to save it. So I'm going to close this. There's math formula and there's base database. So you have math formula here. I'm going to click on that, and there's a drop down tab here. And you have functions, operators, you have different items here. So I'm going to close this. So this is base database. I'm going to click on that. So it says, what do you want to do? You want to create a new database or open an existing database file. So I'm going to click finish. I'm going to save it to the desktop. So there's tables, queries, forms, reports. So this is how base database looks. I'll close that. Now there's a templates tab here, and there's a drop down tab, and you have writer templates, calc templates, like presentation templates, draw templates. So when I click on writer templates, I have some templates here that I can use. So there's the help here, and there's extensions, there's tools here, macros, extension manager, customize, there's options. And you can go through all of these. There's extensions where you can download extensions. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money on Microsoft Office application suite, you can use this, and this is a great product so far, and this is free, where you can download it for free in your computer and you can use it. And there's a lot of features in this LibreOffice application. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.